Hi, you're probably wondering, what is BetterDrugTest.com? Every drug test is the same, right? Wrong. ShareTech has invented a revolutionary way to provide the most discreet, convenient, and accurate drug and alcohol test on the market, all from the privacy of your own home. Our tests require no observed collection of the sample, and isn't that about time? The longest window of detecting substances, and we test for every substance your loved one could be using, not just the basics. Drugs are evolving. Fentanyl, vaping, prescription medication abuse. Shouldn't there be a test on the market that can detect all the drugs that can be abused? There is now. ShareTech uses patented technology to confirm that all urine samples match a one-time cheek swab, so we know that it was your loved one who provided the sample. We understand that privacy and discretion are the most crucial factors in drug testing. Our test allows for clients to use an alias if they choose for the ultimate in security. ShareTech has delivered thousands of tests across the country to individuals, treatment centers, family courts, and beyond. Order your first test today and see the ShareTech difference for yourself.